Hey, you're back for more. Great. On to question 2. First of all, it's very similar to question 1. It's the same amount of time for note-taking and 45 seconds for speaking. Some people think that question 2 is easier because you don't have to think of your own topic. You simply choose from topics given to you. The prompt will generally give you 2 sides to an issue. For example, do you prefer to study at night or in the daytime? Do you prefer big cities or small towns? Apples or oranges? I'm just kidding on the last one, but you never know. The idea is the same. You're given a choice between 2 things, and you must choose one. Then, you have to give supporting ideas for why you chose that option. We'll use the following prompt as an example. Some students like to study by themselves for an exam, and other students prefer to study in groups. Which method of studying do you prefer, and why? Just like question 1, it's a single source question. You are the source, so we'll use the outline note format. Here, the main idea is going to be your choice, one or the other. We'll choose studying in a group. A quick note about question 2. Your choice doesn't matter. Yep, that's right. It doesn't matter. What am I talking about? I'm talking about time. Specifically, you don't have the time to really think about which one you actually prefer. You simply need to just pick one, and then think of 2 reasons why it would be a good idea. You only have to speak for 45 seconds. It doesn't have to be Shakespeare. Let's fill out our notes. We have 15 seconds for this. First, we write our main topic, our choice. We choose group study. We just write group. Now, we need to think of 2 reasons why we would choose to study in a group setting. If you do have a specific reason, great. Definitely choose that one and then give your reasons. But the end result is really simple. You need a topic and you need 2 supporting ideas. That's it. Our supporting ideas for group study will be that you can 1. Share info, and 2. It's fun. Simple enough. Here, if you can choose adjectives, great. But the main goal is to simply write 2 basic reasons why one of the 2 choices would be good. They're both good, but just pick one and give 2 reasons. Then, we have to speak. With all my speaking tutorials, I've provided speaking templates or scripts that you can use to help guide you through speaking. You don't have to memorize them, but they give you helpful transition words and time frames for speaking. I recommend using them when you practice for the speaking section. Then just forget about it when you go to take the test. But let's make it simple. You're simply starting at the top of your notes and reading down. You choose group study because you can share info and it's fun. The key is fitting it into 45 seconds, and this takes practice. Let's listen to a sample response provided by me, your teacher, for speaking question 2. I prefer to study in a group. I think this for a couple of reasons. First of all, when you study in a group, you get to share information. Maybe you've studied one thing in particular that you can give the group more information about. Maybe somebody else has some sort of specific knowledge that they can contribute to the study group. But it's just more beneficial when you're in a group as far as getting everybody's input. The second reason is that it's more fun. When you study by yourself, a lot of times it can be boring, it can be quiet. However, when you study with a group, you have the social aspect of studying. It encourages you to interact with other people, it makes studying more fun, and you'll learn more. Again, it's like question 1, only you're given 2 options to speak on. It's easier, really. So, hooray for easy. Now, go back to the site and look at practice questions for 1 and 2. I want you to use the timer provided or one of your own, and I want you to just practice these. There's a ton of categories. So go for it. Knock yourself out.